Day 10 of the Indian Chieftain Black Label Commission. The massive teardrop fuel tank is officially encapsulated in metallic cherry red. The surface clarity is perfection, ready for reassembly. Tank is back on the frame. Look at that depth. By utilizing a bulk installation method on the vertical sides, we've managed tension, ensuring this film stays locked for the life of the ride. Finishing the tank dash now. We've tucked every edge and reinstalled the leather Indian bib for that factory plus aesthetic. It's all about the details that you don't see that make this a Black Label build. Hardware is flowing back on. Engine covers and bag spacers are locked in. Every gap is uniform, every edge is sealed. This is the stage where a bike stops being a project and becomes a masterpiece. Finally off the lift and back on the ground where it belongs. The stance on this Chieftain is absolutely lethal in this light. Quick vibe check next to the VTWIN Skins Demon Chopper. Two different worlds, one standard of elite protection. The saddlebags are officially cleaned and sealed from yesterday's layout. Trimming is finished on the sidewalls. We've got the bag lids left for tomorrow, and she's a wrap. JC, we are almost home, brother. Your Indian Chieftain is officially a showstopper. Time to schedule that pickup. Your badass bagger is ready to rule the streets.